Watch through the end of this video because I will cover what repairs usually cost. Have you noticed bubbling, peeling, or lifting material on your steering wheel? This issue is the steering wheel cover material separating, often at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock grips. Drivers may see a raised bubble, a wrinkle, or an edge that looks like it is pulling away. If you are seeing this, take a clear photo and note when it started. That helps the service advisor document it quickly. Some people feel the surface get tacky or rough where your hands rest. If it catches your skin, avoid rubbing it hard or picking at the edge. Another common complaint is the separation slowly spreading wider over time. The practical move is to schedule service before it tears further. This applies to certain 2020-2023 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. It is described as cosmetic and not a steering function issue. This is a service bulletin, not a recall, bulletin number SB23-32003. A recall would be used for a safety defect needing a mandated repair. A bulletin is guidance for diagnosing and fixing a known condition. At the dealer, the usual solution is an inspection and confirmation of the separation. If verified, the common repair is replacing the steering wheel assembly. The dealer explanation is typically a bonding failure between the cover material and the wheel underneath. That is why it shows up first where hand pressure is highest. Heat, sun exposure, skin oils, and strong cleaners can speed up delamination. Rapid temperature changes can also weaken adhesives over time. If you want to prevent it getting worse, use gentle interior wipes and avoid alcohol cleaners on the wheel. Also, reduce heat load with a sunshade when parked. Now, here is what the dealer usually does when this shows up during a visit. They document the separation and verify it matches the cosmetic cover concern. If it qualifies, they typically replace the steering wheel assembly. In many cases, the repair is handled under warranty when coverage applies. If not, some owners report asking for goodwill assistance. Some people say the dealer checks for signs of harsh cleaners or physical damage. That can affect whether it is covered. Online, the most common complaint is bubbling or peeling at the side grips. Many say it starts small and spreads over weeks. Others complain the surface turns tacky or rough and feels unpleasant. Some describe it catching skin or looking worn too early. A frequent frustration is being told it is cosmetic and not urgent. Owners still want it fixed because they touch it every drive. Another common complaint is parts back orders or long appointment wait times. Some people say they had to schedule weeks out. For do-it-yourself fixes, many owners use a steering wheel wrap or cover. That hides the damage, but does not restore the original material bond. Some choose a professional rewrap service to replace the outer surface. That can feel better than a cover and look more factory. For prevention, people commonly recommend gentle cleaning only. They avoid alcohol cleaners, heavy degreasers, and constant sanitizer contact. Now, let's talk cost ranges you might see. Pricing varies by region, labor rates, and whether coverage applies. At a dealer, steering wheel replacement is often several hundred to over $1,000. If covered, your out-of-pocket cost may be zero. Independent shops may offer rewraps from a few $100s to near $1,000. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and comment your experience. Thank you.